Hi, it's Fiona Fernandez in Piedmont. I'm a Stampin' Up! Independent demonstrator, and I usually do lives on Wednesday night to make cards, and we usually wing it and make them up as I go along, but I'm not too well this week, so I'm resting a lot, and I just couldn't wait to show you what was in the box, so I thought I'll just do a quick unboxing, and then later in the week, as I get better, I'll do another live somewhere along the way, around before or after, I'm not sure when yet, Christmas. So we'll just have a look at what's in this. I'll just get my video up. So there's my details there if you're looking to buy anything, even if it's to buy something for someone else. They're great presents. Now let me just get that up. Oh, hang on, I've got to turn my sound off. Hang on a sec. Can't reach it from here. I'm standing up. There we go. Don't want to hear me twice, do we? No. Once is enough. Okay, so there's all my details. I do a host code every month so that sales that I get can go on that. So if you're not spending over $250, please use the host code. And if you spend over $65, I do send a free gift as well if you shop with me as your demonstrator. So that's that. And I'll just quickly go through the box. Hi Diana, I'm just having a look in my little box. I haven't got a real lot in here. I just bought some things the other day when it was free shipping, and I had to get some more catalogues to hand out to people. So if you're looking for a demonstrator and you'd like a catalogue and you're not already on my mailing list, I've got some now. I can post them out to you. I got some more of these clear medium envelopes. They're so handy, and they're just the perfect size for putting a card in. You can use them for lots of things, of course, but that fits in there like that. They're really good for sending your cards in the mail to keep them protected from water. Now, you might have seen one of my posts this week. I talked about weighing my cards because they do need to be a certain weight when you're using those Christmas stamps. The person in the post office told me don't go over 20 grams. So I have been being really careful, so I haven't posted all of them with these. And I didn't have these yet either. I'd run out because I used them on my earrings. Are you crafting tonight, Di? You're just hanging in there with me for a minute? This is called the Inspirational Sketches. This is one of the new stamp sets. Isn't it gorgeous? I just really liked all the sketchy things. So they're the cling rubber. Oh, my little packet's broken. Oh, doesn't matter. Must have got squashed. I won't worry about that. Of course, if anything that you open from Stampin' Up, if it's something seriously damaged, you need to let me know if you're my customer, or ring Stampin' Up yourself and ask them to correct it. They will within 90 days. I got some more festive pearls because I was using them. Oh, you're finishing gift boxes. Oh, lovely. That sounds nice. Oh, you make beautiful gift boxes. I've seen Diana's gift boxes. They're amazing. These ones also have red in them. I do have a packet around here somewhere that's open. See, I'm almost out of a lot of them. Oh, I've used the red ones there. No, I've used all the red ones. They do have red ones in the packet. So they're really gorgeous little ones. So here's my new catalogue. So Celebration is coming, and I'll talk about that in a minute because I want to show you something. So this is the little brochure, and once it goes live to customers, this will be available online as well as a PDF. And at the moment, it's just a hard copy. I can't open it on screen, so I won't even bother opening that. I am doing a paper share, so all the details are on my blog and on my... Did I put it on? No, I don't think I've put it on my Stampin' Up! Page yet. I better do that. I put it on here. And if you're on my email list, if you go to my blog, it pops up a little pop-up to join my email list. If you join that, you'll get a free card making instruction as well, and go into my list to get my emails. So I did send an email with the paper share to the people on my list, and I will add it into here, but probably not today. It is in my Linktree. So in any of my social media, I've got a Linktree link, and I've got the link to the registration for the paper share. So I've just bought a few of this. I'm not going to open them all tonight because I'm not feeling tops, but I will open them later. We'll come back to that another day, and I'll go through them all. That's called Forever Love. That's a specialty paper, so it's quite shiny. And I've got Rock and Roll, so it's got lots of musical stuff in it, that paper. So all these papers will be in my paper share. Oh, look at that. Poetic Expressions. Oh, I can't wait to open them now, but I'm not going to open them now. No. You'll have to wait. I'll have to wait. This one is called Most Adored Designer, Specialty Designer Series paper. Look at that. That's gold. Look. Oh, lots of things in that one. Lovely. Oh, this one's cool. Look at this. That's called Just Kidding. There's a stamp set to match with that. Sweet. That's really cool. That'll be some fun cards to make. And we've got catalogues, so I've got some all ready to go if anyone wants one. And this is one of the free celebration things. This one, crinkle ribbon. If you spend $90, you can get that. This is when it goes live in January. I think it's the 4th. Hang on, let me have a look at the celebration. 4th of January, when it goes live to customers. If you're already a demonstrator, you can get these things now, obviously, because I'm getting them. But you have limits on what you can get. So when you spend $90 or $180, you get to choose freebies. So this one's a $90 freebie. Right, let me put that out of the way and show you something. Because there is, hang on a minute, there's another stamp set here. I don't think I showed you the other day. Can't remember if I did or not. This one. I can't remember if I showed you this last week or not. Can't remember which box it came in, but this is another celebration item. So the stamps are a $90 spend and the dies are $180 spend. And they've got Jungle Pals. They're cute. I was planning to make more cards this week and do stuff, but you know, life got in the way. Sickness got in the way. Time to rest. Yeah, what's going on? Oh, so we've got a bit of glare going on here with my new mat. So this is the new join offer for celebration. So I just got that and I wanted to show you. It's a glass mat. These things come in a little bag, and I will be using it over the next few weeks to show you. That's a little silicone mat, and this sits in there like that. So when you're using it, hang on, have I opened this one? Oh, yes, I have. I don't think I've taken the lid off that one. They fit in there, so you can use your brushes and stuff on them. So that's really cool. And you can mix paint on there and all this sort of stuff. Oh, just a little video. And this one is a cleaning mat, cleaning cloth. It's like a chamois. So when you use your inks, you can put inks on the glass. It's heat resistant as well. You can use this to wipe it off, and I'll do stuff with it in the next few weeks. I will open this because this one's mine. And as demonstrators, we could get this in pre-order, but they've run out for now because they want to keep them for customers that join during the celebration. And then eventually they said they'll come for sale. I'm going to take that plastic off to show you. So this one's got inches down 2 sides, and it's got centimetres down the other one. That's what it looks like. It's that thick, and it's got little feet. I won't take the corners off yet. They're just to protect it. I actually quite like it with them on. I might just leave them on for now. So that's the new mat. It's got little on it, see? So you've got that little workspace there that you can, oh, there's my light. Workspace here that you can do your ink work with. And then you just use your little chamois. They were showing us in the video of using masks on things and just brushing over it, wipe it off. That's really cool. So that's really gorgeous. So that's it. I'm not doing more tonight. Does anyone have any questions before I disappear? And go back to watching TV movies because that's where I'm up to today. Sometimes you have to stop. I just wanted to do my quick little live. I'll just pull this chamois out. Oh, that's so soft. Look at that. It's just, you would just wet it with water. It's a bit like the other chamois, but thinner. It's gorgeous. So that is the joining special when in January when the celebration is. There's another option though. You don't have to get that, but we'll go through that more next time I chat to you and open up all those papers and get closer to January. So have a think about that if you'd like to join. What's the other option? You can add, if you don't want that glass mat when you join in January or February, you can add an additional $51 worth of products to your starter kit. So that's good. I like it when they give an option because not everybody wants a glass mat. And it's a great, is the glass mat instead of paper? Yeah, you don't, well, it depends what you're doing, but you don't need to use paper on there. I watched the lady get her masking thing out and she just brushed all over the mask and on a paper and pulled the thing off and used a little chamois here. I went, whoop! She put drops of ink on here and it doesn't stain. So it's great. So if you're doing heat work as well, you can use your heat tool over it. And that's really good. I wouldn't necessarily do that over paper. But it means too, you're not, you can clean it all the time and reuse it all the time. And you've got all the measurements there that you need. That's pretty cool. Alrighty, well, I'm going to head off. That must be the quickest live I've done for a long time. How long did we go? I can't see. It's not showing me how quick I am tonight. Yep. So, Merry Christmas to everyone. I will try and do another live when I'm better with the papers and go through them with you before the cut-off date. The paper share RSVP date is the 6th of January. I like to do it after it goes live so people can actually go online and see them if they haven't got a catalogue. Or the catalogues that were in my mail out are on their way, so hopefully, 12 minutes, good. The catalogues are on their way to everybody that's on my list, so yeah, and if you think you're on my list and you didn't get a catalogue, contact me and I'll get one out to you, or if you'd like to be on my list, just let me know. Okay, well, I'll be doing Christmas at home this year. Hope you all have a good time, and I'll catch up with you again soon. Ciao. Just put my thing back on the thing. Hang on. So you can see who I am. There you go. That way it'll be left there. Happy crafting.